Hey guys, good morning. It is Bree, the Coupon Queen, and welcome back to my channel. So I want to go over the Walgreens ad preview with you guys for next week. There is a great % off coupon that we're going to be getting if you spend $25 or more in store next week. And it is in-store only. So if you shop online and you're doing a haul online, unfortunately, you won't get the coupon because I believe it's going to print out at the register. It's going to print on your receipt. So not sure why they're not making it for online orders as well. But of course, I will put together some different scenarios for you guys in my must-do deals video. I will try to have both of those done today for the Walgreens and for CVS. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way, anytime I post new deals or videos, you guys will be notified and you won't miss out on any great savings going on. I also did my coupon insert preview. Some of the coupons are regional. In the CVS ad, we saw that there was $3 Revlon coupons and a couple other coupons that weren't shown in the online coupon insert preview. So I'm assuming they're regional, not 100% sure. I'll let you guys know Sunday morning when I purchase my paper. Typically, my region gets the Revlon coupons, so that's the one thing that makes it a little hard when we're doing coupon insert previews is it doesn't exactly tell us which coupons are regional and which ones aren't. We just try to kind of know from experience. So if you haven't checked out that, excuse me, the coupon insert preview video, make sure you click the link in the description box or at the end of this video. I will be buying one newspaper like usual. 9 times out of 10, I buy at least one. That way I have all the different coupons available. Should different deals come available in the next coming weeks, then I won't, regret not purchasing a newspaper or the inserts. So let's go ahead and dive right into this ad preview. So as you see right here, it says get a coupon for 25% off when you spend $25 or more in store. Then on your next visit, when you spend $10 or more, you'll get 25% off. So it's not 25% off for next week. It would be on your next visit. So keep that in mind. It is also a spend deal. So you have to spend that money or use register rewards. I do not believe you can pay with points or you will not get that coupon. We have Purex on sale, $1.99. And we're getting a $1 off coupon. So that is always a great product to stock up on. If you guys are on a tight budget and you need some good laundry detergent, definitely a great week to stock up. We also have Lay's potato chips and Doritos on sale for just $1.88. That is an amazing deal. Most of the time they're 2 for $5. Sometimes they're 2 for $4. But even at a price point of $1.88 each, you're paying just $3.76 if you buy 2 of them. So definitely a good deal to stock up on some chips. Easter candies, of course. Starburst jelly beans, love those. They are $1.99. What else? Okay, we have Dial. We're getting $1 off coupons for Dial. Not a horrible deal to pay $2.49, but obviously we would like to get some points back or register reward, something like that. So I'm definitely going to be passing on this deal. Crest is on sale 2 for $6, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $2 register reward. So if you still have the $3 off 2 digital coupon from the current week, if you haven't used it yet, you can definitely use it for the deal next week. You'll wind up paying $3, getting back a $2 register reward. So final cost would be just 50 cents each. Now, next week, there are a ton of register reward deals, which is awesome. So I'll try to put together a scenario for you if you want to do the spend 25 deal of what deals to do in your first transaction so you can use the register rewards in your second transaction. We have the Arizona iced tea, good filler item there if you guys are wanting to use register rewards. Remember, at Walgreens, if you're new couponer or new to Walgreens couponing, if you're going to use a register reward, it has to attach to an item that does not have a coupon already attached to it. So, for example, the Dial has a $1 off coupon attached, so you could not attach a register reward. And this right here just further explains the % off coupon on the front page. It says valid in-store with card, limit 1, purchase requirements must be met in a single transaction. 2 for $4 on Jiffy and Smuckers. 99 cents on Starkist Chunky White. What else? Not really that many good deals that I'm seeing yet. Buy one, get one free. Not bad on chicken nuggets. And then mustard, barbecue sauce, and ketchup. Buy one, get one free. What else? Jell-O would be another good filler item. 2 for $1. Jell-O and pudding. $1.99 for Cheez-Its. That's definitely a good deal there. What else? The trash bags and nice storage bags, again, are on sale. Buy one, get 2 free. No coupons or anything needed. You just have to have the Walgreens rewards program. Type in your phone number at checkout, and they will automatically discount to buy one, get 2 free. So the final cost on that winds up being like 93 cents per box of bags or trash bags. So that's definitely a great deal. We have Palmolive 20 ounce on sale for $1.99. 50-cent digital coupon coming makes them just $1.49. Buy one, get one free on Complete Home paper plates and bowls. Buy one, get one free on Lysol. I haven't seen a Lysol product in stores in weeks though, unfortunately. Buy one, get one free on these products. I would stay away from those. We get way cheaper deals. I think they're like $6.99 at the store as well. So that would still make them pretty expensive, like $3.49 each. A lot of times we get all for 99 cents or $1.99. $4.99 for Febreze twin packs, Dawn or Swiffer. $1 reward when you buy 2. Not a good deal. I would stay away from that one for sure. Oh, that's cute. What is that? Buy one, get one half off. Select everyday gifts. Those are cute. Ooh, those are super cute. Those sandals. Look at that. Zoom in for you guys. It's kind of blurry, but that is a super cute sandal. If I see that in store, definitely going to buy that. Not going to lie. More candy. 99 cents each for these little guys. Basket Buddies, $5.99. Bunch of little toys and cute things to make a little Easter basket. Nothing else. What I really want to do today is run over to Dollar Tree. I need to organize the house and see what they have. I've been seeing a lot of DIYs and Dollar Tree hacks and things like that. I don't think I've shopped at a Dollar Tree like ever. I don't know. So I definitely want to check that out and see what they have. Drop a comment. Let me know if you guys have ever done any Dollar Tree hacks or anything. I might try to do some different like DIY farmhouse decor. I need to decorate one of the other rooms, and while we're all trying to stay home as much as possible, I love doing arts and crafts, so that might be something great for me to do to kind of take up some time when I'm not working. Buy one, get one half off, mix and match health and wellness products. $3 register reward when you spend $20 on any of these Walgreens products here. Okay, this is an amazing deal here. Poise Active, you can get them for just 99 cents. Definitely a great deal. If you buy them at Walmart, you can get them for free in a small 16-cent moneymaker because there is an Ibotta rebate. But the Ibotta rebate is not for Walgreens, unfortunately. It's only for Walmart. So at Walgreens, they're $5.99. There is a $2 online coupon and then a $3 Walgreens coupon is, I believe, one of the other. And then final cost would be just 99 cents. So a great deal if you need to pick up some pads or feminine products. Get a $10 Visa reward card when you spend $30 before tax on any of these items now until the end of April. It says April 25th. So that's not a bad deal, especially if you put some coupons or anything in there. That might be pretty decent. Zyrtec, Flonase, bunch of different allergy relief medicines in deals. We have You by Kotex, buy one, get one half off, and a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Colgate. So this is going to be a really great deal. It's also going to give you 4,000 points and a $6 register reward. So the register reward we can use to help pay down our out-of-pocket cost if you're trying to do the spend 25 deal. So if you haven't used your $5 off 3 digital coupon, you can definitely use it next week. Combine that with a $1 printable coupon from Colgate.com. And these will wind up being 50 cents per tube of toothpaste. So that'll be a great deal. We also have $3 register reward when you buy 2 participating products. Oral-B is included. We do have a $1 digital coupon for Oral-B. So that might be a good deal as well. I have to see what the prices are on that. I'm assuming it's just regular priced. So we'll have to see, and it shows right here the 3 off of 2 coupon for the Crest that I showed you from the Crest deal. If you want to do it on this instead, the Crest toothpaste at the beginning of the ad was only a $2 register reward. This would be a $3 register reward. So we'll have to see which one would be better cost savings wise. Dove, we are getting some coupons for the Dove bar soap in the Sunday paper. And I don't know if maybe it's expired. I lost the Dove body wash coupon from that Walgreens beauty event. Maybe it expired. Maybe that's why I threw it out or something. Not really sure, but that would have been awesome if it was available. Olay Bath Care Body Conditioner Premium Body Wash. I need more coffee. I keep yawning up a storm over here. Okay. So L'Oreal Facial Care, they have a $10 mail-in rebate at Walgreens as well. Better deal, though, is going to be at CVS because it's included in the cash card deal. So that is going to make for a super big moneymaker. I will do a scenario on that in my must-do deals video that I will post later today for sure. Buy one, get one half off. We've had quite a few good beauty deals at Walgreens, surprisingly. A lot of good digital coupons going on. So if you want to do some online hauls, I know everyone's budgets are a little bit tighter recently, but if you can still, make yourself feel nice and get some really cool makeup items for super, super cheap, if not free, definitely worth it to stock up. We also have Schick Extreme and Skintimate razors. They're $5.99. We have a $4 coupon coming. So right there, it makes it just $1.99. Great deal. Then when you buy 3, you're going to get 3,000 points back. So that will be a good deal. Right Guard, I'd stay away from that. Secret, I got Secret, Old Spice, and Gillette coupons. They actually showed up in my account yesterday. So make sure you check your coupon folder. Sometimes you'll get random coupons throughout the week. I usually check my accounts every day, not just because I get so excited. So I got a $4 off 2 digital coupon. So if you use that, especially the current week would be a better deal because I think it was a $5 register reward you're going to get back. I don't remember. I posted it in my Walgreens video, but it would be a better deal to do it the current week because you're getting some rewards back. So double check your coupons. If you have it, definitely clip it. If you haven't picked up those items and you still need to, definitely a better time to go grab it with a $4 coupon instead of a $1 coupon. We have Mitchum deodorant. We are getting a digital coupon. That might be a good deal to do for online. Final cost would be just 99 cents. Speed Stick, buy one, get one half off. $1 digital coupon. 3,000 points when you buy 2. So that could be a good digital deal to do as well. And then you'll get the points back. What else? And that is it for the ad. So if you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.